This UI kit comes with the InterUI font embedded within the file. In order to change this font to meet your branding requirements, you're going to have to go to Theme Styling and adjust the fonts from there. I'm going to select all of the predefined heading fonts instances, and I'm going to change its font to Chronicle. As I'm doing this, I can adjust the letter spacing, the weight, and so on. The H1 element is actually big enough to make use of the Chronicle display variation, so I'm going to change it here. Hit Update to sync all of the changes across the file. Now I'm going to proceed to select all of the body fonts. So there's quite a few of them, so I'm going to zoom out because I'm trying to embrace them all. Select all of them, set their fonts to Proxima Nova, hit Update, and voila! Now I can go to the example design to confirm that all of the text styles are updated to use the new fonts.